Good afternoon, evening, or morning. I'm the Manly Digger. Hope you're staying healthy. This video is a review of the Delta Hiking Company mat. And it's an opportunity that I took. So I had to go on military drill this weekend. And, or just drill, let's call it drill. And it's out, the whole drill is just outside. So pretty much camping in the Army. I decided to take this time to use the air mattress, see how it works for myself, test it out, and it works. It's amazing. You'll see. Anyway, it's a fun time. We'll see how it goes. Mainly dig out. The Delta Hiking Company. I will say this: I have not heard one truly bad thing about this company or its equipment. What I have heard is that it is extremely affordable and durable. The only somewhat negative thing that I've heard about their equipment is that it takes a while to get to the individual's mailing address. It took 2 weeks to get to my address, which is not a big deal. I am excited. This is the first time, not the first time, but this is I get to test gear, and I love testing gear. So we'll see how this goes. The air mattress I've had multiple different air mattresses throughout my outdoor lifestyle and my military career. And I've had different experiences with different mattresses, air mattresses. We'll see how this goes. This is going to be fun. The website address, so deltahiking.com. Very, very good company. I like this company a lot. But Instagram they have a site on Instagram, and here is their site. This is Delta Hiking's mission statement, but this is what all companies should strive for. If you are making a product, you should strive to make an affordable product that is durable, that will last. And that is especially for hiking or outdoors, anything. You should make the gear should be light, it should be durable, and there should not be a lot of extra things. Here are some of the other products that they sell. They have a hammock that is, man, it looks comfortable. With all the necessities that go with the hammock. This hammock will run you about $60, so it's very affordable. This is Delta's light sleeping bag or light sleeping bag system. It looks kind of like a survival blanket. I don't know. I mean, Delta also has a dual sleeping mat. They're making money, but at the same time, they're planting trees, which is just a great idea. This is everything that comes with the air mattress. So on the left is you have the bag, you have on top the instructions, and on the far right you have the actual mattress, which is very compact, and you have an elastic or a rubber band that goes around it. That's everything that comes with it. It's simple, it's easy, and it's just simple. I can teach a monkey how to do it. It folds out easily to over 6 feet, which kind of worried me at first. Or not made for tall people, I guess. But it does fit in most tents. It's a tight fit, but it does fit. So yeah, tall people are covered. Also, my cat was very curious. I could not get my cat out of the picture. So this is where air goes in and out of the sleeping pad. This is for if you want to use a air compressor or bike, some type of tire inflator to get air into the sleeping pad. This is another attachment. I think this is the coolest part. This is a valve. So you blow into it, and unlike like a balloon or other air mattresses where you have to hold it or put something to stop the air, you can take a break. This stops the air, so you can take a break, and then when you feel like continuing to blow this piece up or blow the sleeping pad up, you can do that, without worrying, without any fuss at all. A cool add-on to a piece of equipment. Day 3 of 4, so that's 2, yeah, so 3 nights out in the field, and it's we're on night, this will be the 3rd night, tonight will be the 3rd night, and the mattress is amazing. Like, I haven't had to, normally, like with other mattresses or air mattresses, you have to put more air into it after like 1 or 2, 3 nights. So far, I haven't had to do any of that. I haven't had any of the normal aches and pains from hiking or sleeping outside or camping, or your back hurts or you wake up and your sides are tight. So it's kept its form, and it's amazing and light, very light sleeping mat. It's awesome, and it's comfortable and it's durable. So it's kept its form. It's got my approval, mainly to go. Good afternoon, I'm the Mainly Digger. I hope you're staying healthy. Good afternoon, evening, or morning, I'm the Mainly Digger. Hope you're staying healthy. This video is a review of the Delta Hiking Company mat, and it's an opportunity that I took. So I had to go on military drill this weekend, and or just drill, let's call it drill. And it's out, the whole drill is just outside. So pretty much camping in the Army. Anyway, so I decided to take the time to use, I decided to take this time to use the air mattress, see how it works for myself, test it out, and it works. It's amazing. You'll see. Anyway, it's a fun time. We'll see how it goes. Mainly to go out.